Today we prepare bucatini alla norma. The sauce alla norma has several varieties of realization. I wanted to customize the sauce so-called alla norma, changing the classic gusto, consisting in fried aubergine on pasta seasoned with fresh tomatoes. I used little tomatoes typical of Sicily. I usually put aubergine cut in small fried cubes because so we can better amalgamate with the pasta. And so in each forkful we can taste both the pasta and the sauce. Concerning the pasta, there is who prepares the pasta so-called alla norma also with the cavatelli or with the anelli. In this case I wanted to use the bucatini, a very good choice that we can appreciate better with sauce alla norma. Let's introduce now the ingredients. Pasta called bucatini, aubergine, small tomatoes, the onion, the garlic and the basil, the pepper, and in the end the salted ricotta. In this case we use the salted ricotta, as usually we use in the zones close to Palermo and in the center of Sicily. Now let's prepare the sauce. Angelo is crushing the garlic. This is not a common garlic but one red garlic. This garlic comes from western Sicily and is very particular both for the gusto for the nutritional properties. Indeed, this garlic has a stronger gusto and it's gathered during summer months and they left dry it tied in braids in the fields, after which the garlic is commercialized. Now let's mince the onion. Let's pour the oil in a pot with some pepper. In this case some red pepper baked and then crumbled. And let's fry it on the fire. Angelo is using tomato coming from Cuisine, the town close to Syracuse. Angelo cuts it in 4 parts to facilitate the fast cooking of the tomato. Because so all water inside of the tomato goes away and adding the salt we can accelerate the cooking. The cooking is fast to avoid the loss of the gusto of tomato. We added a bit of salt. Now we break into pieces some basil leaves. And then we will let cook it on low flame for about 20 minutes, so in this way the tomato will release all its liquids, so the sauce will be well cooked. After which it's time to season the pasta. The sauce alla norma usually is made with some fried slice of aubergine, very tasty, but not so easy to eat. Indeed, I like to cut the aubergine in some cubes. And now Angelo will fry the aubergine and then we will add it to the sauce we prepared before. Now let's take the aubergine. The aubergine has been well fried to the outside and it's well tasty in the inside. And now we will add it to the sauce. The sauce we prepared before has been whipped. And now we pass it in the frying pan. Then let's add some aubergine. We will put these over all. And we let cook for about 4 minutes. In the meantime let's cook the bucatini, needing about 12 minutes of cooking. Now let's cook the bucatini in salted water. We amalgamate them and let cook them. And after 12 minutes we drain them. Magari for Italian cookery the cooking time is longer. However, after having drained the pasta we will fry it in the frying pan with the sauce. Now the pasta is ready, let's season it. It's important to amalgamate well the sauce. It needs to make flavor for 1 to 2 minutes passing it in the frying pan. Now we are ready to put it into the plate. Let's put into the plate the pasta. Let's flavor it with the salted ricotta and some basil. And the dish is ready.
pasta di pomodorini che abbiamo fatto prima l'abbiamo frullata con un frullatore a immersione e adesso la passiamo in padella. Qui aggiungiamo una parte di melanzane, queste qua ce le conserveremo per metterle sopra. E facciamo cuocere per circa 4-5 minuti al massimo. Nel frattempo possiamo mettere a cuocere i bucatini che hanno bisogno di circa 12 minuti di cottura. Bene, adesso mettiamo a cuocere i bucatini, abbondante acqua salata, ebollizione. Diamo una rimestata iniziale e poi dopo 10-12 minuti, secondo i gusti, magari per la cucina italiana 10 minuti ci vanno già benissimo, e dopodiché vanno saltati con la nostra salsa. Bene, adesso siamo pronti, passiamo al condimento. L'importante è fare amalgamare bene il sugo. Quindi farle insaporire per 1-2 minuti al massimo, saltandolo. Adesso siamo pronti per l'impianto. Bene, adesso passiamo ad impiattare.
Io sabato si chiama Allegracori, beato quale bella la moglie, o la bella ci porta i rinari.
Andiamo ad insaporire con della ricotta salata. Ed un tocchetto di basilico. Ed è pronto. Adesso buon appetito.